People always ask the question, when is the right time to buy life insurance? And my answer can always vary. I mean, if you're single and unmarried without children, it might not be necessary yet. But if you've taken on some debt, if you've maybe borrowed money from family members, then maybe taking out some life insurance at that point makes sense. People, as they start building their career paths and maybe they get a family or they first start with a significant other, then there's more responsibility. They might be taking on mortgages, buying property, taking on some debt. And there's also another reason to think about life insurance as you kind of move up. As you kind of go through that process of life, and you kind of get up to that, what I call the top of the bell curve. When people reach that sandwich generation and their kids are either in college or out of college, and they might be dealing with elderly parents who need care or extended care in a nursing home or at home, a lot of people think that their insurance needs dissipate at that point in time. But there's a lot of reasons why life insurance can continue beyond that point in time. And some of it is maybe to replace a nest egg. They didn't do a good enough job saving for retirement, but they need to make sure their significant other is taken care of. They might have state or federal estate taxes that need to be paid because they've done so well with their growth that they need life insurance to create liquidity. They could have a special needs child that upon their death, they need to make sure there's a trust with money in it to help continue with their care and make sure that they're taken care of inside of a special needs trust. So those are just some of the reasons why people need to think about life insurance past those early years of their life, where later in life, it could be just as relevant as it is in the early years. At any point in your life, you could use a life insurance policy. It just depends on your circumstances, where you are, what your situation is, and that's why things are not cookie cutter. So if you need some help or you want to ask some questions, please reach out to us at Appel Insurance Advisors. We'd be happy to help.